What's up, guys? I got a new 3D printed part that I'm going to put on the Bitaxe. This is Bitaxe Gamma V2 1.5 terahash. I've been running this for a little bit. I don't know how long, but I took a screenshot in the dashboard here. I'm just going to flip my computer around in a second just to show you guys. So here, look, we got the temperature running at 43.3 on the ASIC temperature. We got voltage regulator at 52 degrees, fan speeds up manual at 100%. And some of the power shit. So let me just take another screenshot of this really quick. And we will put on this new part and see if it improves some of the performance. Oh shit, also the terahash. 1.37? Whatever. I'm just here really, oh, it's 1.47. I'm just here to see if this will like drop some temperatures, so. Any questions, camera guy? Because everybody wants to hear yapping from George, but not today. I think he'll be back tomorrow. So
yeah, so the Gleam contest is going to be in the butt.
Oh my God, the Gleam contest. Yeah, but this shouldn't be a hard install, but I've never installed it. I do got a bunch of parts here. This big fan is not for this, but it's just there as, I guess, clickbait because I forgot to put it away. But yeah, I'm just going to unscrew these. Hopefully not break the unit. Ooh, got a squeaky one.
That's not satisfying.
Yeah, I think this print took like, oh fuck, it's fucked up on the back here. But it took like an hour to print this. So in theory, it goes on the back. And then there's a fan that goes in here and it blows the air. And it has like a channel so the air could come out the top and the bottom. Okay. Is this good performance? I don't know. I also don't have the correct screws. So we are just going to force this shit on here. So, yeah, let's just try not to break it.
Some real DIY shit.
Yeah. These thumb screws are not what you're supposed to be using, but the reason I'm using this is because these screws are too tiny. So we will hope it doesn't like split the board. This is definitely like not the way to do this. Ooh. I will go on the other side here. People are going to look at this and be like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, so. Oh boy. This is a tough one here. I have to go for another attempt. Okay. So if you had proper screws, unlike me, this would be way easier. You know what? I think it's looking good so far.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Yeah, let me. Got to bring the guns out because this needs a lot of power to do. Okay, put this in. I hope the Bitaxe still turns on after this. Yeah, so it keeps like. Okay. Yo, this is flexing the Bitaxe a lot. Last screw, and then we'll put the fans on, and then we turn it on and see what the results are. Oh boy. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one on, but we are definitely going to try. Oh, fuck. You know what? I'm leaving this one out.
The fourth one?
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if you can see, but it's interfering with the heatsink. I can't actually screw it down because you're not supposed to be using screws like this. Okay. Whatever. The next step is I'm going to put the fan on. So, yeah, it just screws into the back. I'll put this little grill on just because I don't want to like cut my fingers. It's kind of annoying, these little fans. Mm-hmm. So we will just put this on. Do you think it's going to drop the temperatures?
Maybe like 5 degrees, 4 degrees.
Wait, should we put the mic a little closer to it?
Maybe like 4 degrees.
4 degrees?
Yeah. Because the last frame we did,
yeah.
How much did it drop it by?
I'm trying to remember what was the last one we
It wasn't.
did.
It wasn't the Quadro. It wasn't the 4. It was the Avalon Q. We flipped it.
Oh shit, yeah.
And how much did it drop that one by?
Like, temperature-wise, I don't know, but it added like 3 terahash, but someone was like complaining in the comments. Shit, this looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Doesn't look half as bad. So we need this. So this is a fan splitter. So I'll just install this here. Shit, we got a visitor.
Tinkering.
Yeah, we're trying to add on. We'll plug in the pieces here.
Is that what is that? It's like
It's a Bitaxe. Yeah, so this is kind of our like final product here. It kind of looks weird as shit. There's a gap here just because, well, I can't screw it in, but we'll see how it works. So
air support.
sounds like a little jet. Oh my god, yeah, there's a lot of air coming out here. Dude, you feel it?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how I should like lay this down. I'll just put it upside down for now, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I'll probably give it like 10 minutes and I'll be back and we'll see if the temperatures have dropped. So yeah, I guess I'll just cut this here and we'll be back. Okay, so we're still running the test on this. I wasn't sure how to put it, so I'm just like leaving it like this. But I saw our camera guy grab a pack of saltines and I'm like, you know, just for like random content in this video, you know there's a Guinness World Book of Records of eating a certain amount in a minute?
How many?
You want me to check?
Yeah.
I think it's 6.
Wait.
Wait.
6 of these?
Yeah,
Full?
yeah. You gotta show the camera. Saltines, just regular saltines. Hold on. Guinness Book.
That's crazy.
George wanted to do it.
He wanted to eat 6 of these in a minute.
Yeah, so look.
He's a big fellow.
On Guinness World Book of Records, it's 6 in a minute in 2023. So if you think you could eat 6 in a minute with no liquids, I'll film you right now while we wait for this to test, as this would be very good filler content. You think you could eat 6 in a minute?
I know I can't. But
You know you can't?
I can't,
No?
no. I know I can't.
Why not?
Because I hate the taste of salt.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't want to put you on the spot, but you just like,
I'll try.
yeah, just so people see.
They're so greedy of me. We have a whole team expect to eat these sardines. These salt,
Here,
these salt
6.
crackers.
Yeah, you want to put the mic on so we could hear your ASMR while you eat?
Can I crunch?
Yeah. While we're waiting for this thing to, like, test.
Okay. Put your timer on,
Oh shit! Yeah, let me put a timer on.
so you know it's a minute.
Wait. Let me not aim my.
Your password?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find like my clock so I don't like leak messages by mistake. Where the hell's my clock?
This is so fatty of me.
Dude, come on. Hold on, guys. Clock.
I got food. Is it a buy one get one?
There we go.
Shit.
Okay. Here, we'll reuse this Bitaxe stand while we wait. Stopwatch.
I have to eat 6 of these in a minute. N'importe quoi.
Okay. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Is there 6 in your hand?
6 of these, right?
Yeah.
Like 6
crackers.
full.
Yeah. There's 6 in your hand right now?
Right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, let me press start. Okay, go.
Okay.
Dude, you're not even 10 seconds in. No, you give up. You can't beat the world record. Okay, well we'll go back to our Bitaxe material right here, guys. Shh, he can't even handle it. He's literally spitting out the crackers. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's a failure. He has to go drink water now. Look at this. Whatever. Maybe George will beat you. He'll see this that you tried it in this video, and then
I took this first 6.
yeah.
And I realized I was so thirsty I said I can't do another 6. Forget another 60.
Okay, here, you take the camera.
Let's go.
I think we should just like, sorry. I think we should just look at the results. Okay, so from our abomination of a Bitaxe here, these are what we got right now. We don't need to let it run super long just because it wasn't running very long in the first place. But okay, temperature. The ASIC temperature actually went up somehow. So it went from 43.4 to 43.9. I'm assuming because we're sharing a fan, maybe it's spinning less fast on the top. So it's at 44. We actually went up on the ASIC temp. Now, the voltage regulator, it went down like a couple degrees, like 4 degrees, which I think you said, right? 4?
Yeah, I did.
So it went down 4 degrees. Fan speeds are still obviously 100%. But let me look at the power here. The power seemingly went down 0.2 watts. Everything else is the same, but let's see the speed up here. This is pretty much the same. We're still getting the same like error rate from before. So I guess the conclusion here is we just made the VRs on the back go down, but at the expense of the ASIC going up by like a degree. So is it a good piece to print? I don't know. I don't think so, but yeah, anyways, that was the point of the video. So, you know, the next video is this one. So
That was more interesting.
yeah, this one's actually more interesting. This one looks cooler too, so I'm more excited about this. So yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. And like you said at the beginning of the video, there's a Gleam contest in the link below and random other important stuff, so just click some links. I'll be back tomorrow with George.
Peace, guys.